How to make sweet and savory flavored butters at home. Imagine spreading silky, homemade honey cinnamon butter over warm pancakes or melting herb-infused garlic butter on a sizzling steak. Sounds dreamy? It's easier than you think. Flavored butters are your ticket to adding gourmet touches to your everyday meals. And today, I'll show you exactly how to make them. Flavored butters are not just delicious, they're versatile. Spread them on bread, toss them with pasta, or use them to enhance roasted vegetables. They take minutes to make, but they can transform your cooking into something truly extraordinary. Ready to add some magic to your meals? For this adventure, gather some basic tools: a mixing bowl, spoon, and a hand or stand mixer if you have one. The star of the show? Butter, of course. Go with unsalted butter so you can control the flavor. Let it soften to room temperature for easy mixing. Now, let's create. Let's begin on a sweet note. Sweet butters are perfect for pancakes, muffins, or even sneaky spoonfuls straight out of the jar. Here's one to try. Honey cinnamon butter. Mix a half cup of butter with 2 tablespoons honey and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. Whip until fluffy. It's a warm hug for your taste buds. You can also experiment with strawberry butter, pureed fruit, or vanilla maple butter. Just imagine these on your morning toast. Pure heaven. Next up, savory butters. These add instant richness to meats, fish, and vegetables. They're like secret weapons for home chefs. A classic to master. Garlic herb butter. Blend half-cup butter with 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon parsley, and a pinch of salt. Roll it into a log, refrigerate, and slice for easy use. Perfect for finishing steaks or tossing with pasta. You can also try sun-dried tomato basil or even Parmesan black pepper butter. These are great ways to impress dinner guests with minimal effort. Want your butters to look and taste professional? Here are some pro tips. Always start with high-quality butter for the best flavor. Taste and adjust as you mix. Too much garlic or sweetness can overpower the butter. Store each flavor in an airtight container or roll it into parchment paper for a polished, restaurant-style presentation. Flavored butters can last about a week in the fridge or up to 3 months in the freezer. To freeze, roll them into a log. Wrap tightly in parchment and plastic wrap, and label with flavor and date. When you need some, just slice off a piece. Instant deliciousness. Here's where the real fun begins. Once you get the hang of it, play with your ingredients. Mix in nutmeg for holiday butter, jalapenos for spicy butter, or even roasted mushrooms for umami butter. There's no limit to what you can create. Let your taste buds guide you. Now it's time to enjoy. Spread your sweet blends on baked goods or drizzle your garlic butter over grilled seafood. With each bite, you'll taste the love and creativity you've brought into your food. It's the ultimate reminder that cooking can, and should, be joyful. Ready to take your meals to the next level? Gather your ingredients, pick a flavor, and let your imagination run wild. Like and subscribe for more. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check out our blog for more in-depth guides. http://lifeandwork.blog. Comment below. Let's bring a little gourmet magic into kitchens everywhere, starting with yours.